Let us take this problem. A matchbox measures. Now let us take this first problem. The matchbox measures 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? You know that this matchbox means it is cuboid, and volume of the cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. So volume is 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter, that is equal to 15 cubic centimeter is the volume of one matchbox, and volume of 12 such matchbox are 15 into 12, that is equal to 180 cubic centimeter. It is not difficult problem. Now let us take second problem. A cuboidal water tank 6-meter long. Cuboidal water tank 6-meter long, 5-meter wide, 4.5-meter deep. How many liters of water it can hold? Now this thing is given that 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1000 liter. Means we have to find the capacity or volume of this tank, capacity of the tank as per the dimension. The capacity of the tank is length into breadth into height. Length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter, and height is 4.5 meter. Volume equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5, that is equal to 135 cubic meter. 135 cubic meter. But 1 cubic meter means 1000 liters. So we have to multiply it by 1000. Then it give 135 into 1000. So capacity of the tank, the tank can hold 135,000 means 1,35,000 is the capacity of the tank, or tank can hold this much amount of water. Okay. Now let us take the third problem. A cuboidal vessel 10-meter long, 8-meter wide. How high must be made to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid? 380 cubic meters of liquid means it is capacity of this tank is given. Capacity of this cuboidal vessel is given, and length and breadth is given. You know that the capacity of the tank, that is equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 380. Volume of the vessel equal to length into breadth into height, that is equal to 380. Out of which length is 10, breadth is 8 meter, and height we don't know, that is equal to 380. Means 10 into 8 into h, that is equal to 380. So h equal to 380 divided by this 10 into 8, 80. That gives 4.75 meters. So height of the vessel, cuboidal vessel, is 4.75 meter. 4.75 meter. Now let us take the fourth problem. Find the cost of digging Cuboidal pit. Cuboidal pit means it is cuboidal where some pit means it where compost or another things are kept underground. So pit is 8 meter by 6 meter by 3 meter. So first of all, we have to find the volume of the cuboidal pit. So volume of cuboidal pit is L into B into H. That is 8 into 6 into 3. That is equal to 144 cubic meter. 144 cubic meter or meter cube. Now rate of digging is 30 per cubic meter. So we have to multiply 144 by 30. That gives the cost of digging, that is equal to 4,320 rupees. 4,320 rupees. Let us see the fifth problem. The capacity of the cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters. of water. Find the breadth of the tank if length and depth are given. Means length and height are given, that is 2.5 and 10 meter. It is similar as that of we have done earlier, that capacity means volume is given, but it is given in liter. First of all, we have to convert it into cubic meter. So we have to divide it by 1000. Then it become capacity of this tank is 50,000. 50,000 divided by 1000, that is equal to 50,000 divided by 1000, that is equal to 50 cubic meter is the capacity of the tank, and that is equal to this 2.5 into 10 into 2.5 into 10 into what's a breadth. So 2.5 into 10, that is 25b, that is equal to 25b, that is equal to 50 cubic 50 cubic meter 50 cubic meter. So b equal to b equal to b equal to this 50 divided by 25, that is 2 meter. So we can do it by converting this cubic liter, this liter into cubic meter, or we can convert this into liter. This can be converted into liter, and then also we get the same answer. So this 25,000 liter into B, that is equal to 50,000. So B equal to 2 meter. So this is what's a fifth problem. Now let us see sixth problem. Sixth problem. What is given? A village having population 4,000 require 150 liter water per head. Means one person require 150 liter. So 4,000 person require 4,000 into 150 liters. 4,000 into 4,000 into 150 liter. That is the requirement of the village. That is the requirement of the village. So what is given? A tank measuring 20 meter by 6 meter. 20 meter by 6 meter. That is a tank measuring 20 meter by 6 meter height. Uh, height it is not given. 20 meter by 6 meter by 15. 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. So 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter means capacity of tank is 1800 cubic meter. 1800 cubic meter. That is get converted into, we have to multiply it by 1000. Then it gives the 1.8 into 1.8 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 10 raised to power 6 liters. So capacity of the tank is 1.8 into 10 raised to power 6 liters. And the 4,000 person requires 4,000 persons require 4,000 into 150, that is equal to 6 into this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 6 into 10 raised to power 6 into 10 raised to power 6. So number of days means one day requirement is this 6 into 10 raised to power 6, and the capacity of the tank is 18 into 10 raised to power 18 into 10 raised to power, say it is not 10 raised to power 6, 6 into 10 raised to power 5, and it is 1.8 into 10 raised to power 6 is the capacity of the tanks. So 6 into 10 raised to power 5 D equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to power 6. Therefore, if you divided this by this, then D equal to 3 days. Means this stock of waters ends for last for 3 days. Last for 3 days. If you don't understand, just I am telling you again. Let us start exercise 13.6, problem number first. What is given in the problem number first? The circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. Circumference of the base of circular cylinder. Cylindrical circle has got circumference 2 pi r. Means 2 pi r value is 132 centimeter is given. Another thing is height is given 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? How many water it can hold? Now from this, first of all, let us find the radius, because the cylinder, right, circular cylinder has got volume pi r square into h. H is missing. H is missing, and not h is there. Radius is missing. H is there. Radius is missing. Missing. That is why first of all find the radius. 2 pi r equal to 132. 2 pi r equal to 132 means r equal to 132 by, after calculation, r equal to 21 centimeter. Now 21 centimeter is r, and volume means how many liters of water it can hold. First of all, find the volume. Volume of the right circular cylinder, or volume of the cylindrical vessel, equal to pi r square into h. Pi means 22 by 7. R square means it is 21 square, and h is 25. That give 34,650 square centimeter, cubic centimeter. And 1 cubic centimeter, 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. So what we have to do, if we want to convert this 34,650 cubic centimeter into liter, we have to divide this by 1000, and that gives the 34.65 liter. So the vessel can hold the water how many liter? 34.65 liters. This is first problem. What is given in the second problem? The inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter, and outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Inner diameter is 24 centimeter, means inner radius is 12 centimeter, and outer diameter is 28 centimeter, means outer radius is 28 divided by 2, that is equal to 14 centimeter. The length of pipe means it is for our formula, it is height. Length of pipe is 35 centimeter, means height. Length of pipe, that is for us it is height 34 centimeter. 35 centimeter. And the mass of pipe, if 1 cubic centimeter wood, that is U mass 0.6 gram. So what we have to do? We have to find the we have to find the volume of the total cylindrical, and we have to subtract the volume of this inner portion, because the inner is that is uh, that is not completely solid, but inner portion is not there. Means first of all we have to find the volume of this outer, and we have to subtract inner. So what is the volume of the this pipe? Volume of this pipe equal to pi r2 square. R2 means that is radius of outer, minus pi r1 square h. Pi r2 square into h minus pi r1 square into h. So this r2 square means 14 square, and r1 square means 12 square. That gives the volume of the pipe is 5720 cubic centimeter. But what is given? The mass of pipe. Mass of pipe we have to find, and what 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 0.6 gram mass. So we have to multiply this by 0.6. 0.6 if multiplied by 0.6, then it gives 3432 gram. This pipe is for 3432 gram. Do you understand? Now let us take problem number 3. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. One is a tin can with a rectangular base, length 5, width 4 centimeter, and height 15 centimeter. And another is plastic cylinder with circular base, diameter 7 centimeter, and height is 10 centimeter. Which container has got a greater capacity? So, and how much? So first of all, we have to find capacity of each container. You know that this is what say cuboidal, and you know that cuboid has got volume equal to length into breadth into height. So length into breadth into height, that is 5 into 4 into 15. That is equal to 300 cubic centimeter is the volume of this cuboidal container, soft drink container. So this is what's a 300 cubic centimeter. If the volume of the cylindrical is more than this 300, then we can say the capacity of the cylinder is more. Cylindrical pack is more. If it is less, then we can say. Now, diameter of the right circular cylindrical pack, soft drink pack is 7 centimeter. Means radius is half of that. Means radius is 7 by 2. Radius is 7 by 2. That is 3.5. And height is 10. You know that the capacity of cylinder is pi r square into h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square into h, and it is 385. Pi 22 by 7, 3.5 square into h10, that is 385 cubic centimeter. So the pack with rectangular base has got capacity of 300 cubic centimeter, and this is cylindrical tank has got capacity 385 centimeter. Means this cylindrical right circular cylindrical pack has got more capacity. 385 minus 300, that is 85 cubic centimeter. Capacity is more of this cylindrical tank than this cuboidal pack. Okay, this is what's a problem number. What is given in the problem number 4? If the lateral surface area of cylinder is 94.2 square centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. First of all, we have to find the radius of this. Then its volume. You know that lateral or cut surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH equal to 94.2. This is 2 pi to 3.14 we have to take, that is given, and R, and this H is 5. After calculation, R is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is the R, and height is 5 centimeter. Then volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h. So pi is 3.14. R square, R is, we have already find 3 square into h5. That gives the volume equal to 141.3 cubic centimeter is the volume. This is problem number 4. This is problem number 8. A patient in hospital has given soup daily in the cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 cm. Diameter 7 cm means radius 3.5 cm. If bowl is filled with soup to height 4 cm, how much soup hospital has to prepare for 250 patients? 250 patients. So height, whatever may be height of this bowl, that is not required. Only 4 centimeter height that is required, because what is the capacity of ball, that is not matter. What is giving, that is matter. So height of the soup, that is 4 centimeter, that is required. That is actually height for us. So volume of soup in one bowl will be pi r square into h. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 3.5 square, 3.5 square into h is 4 centimeter. That is 154 square cubic centimeter is the capacity of, but that is the soup in the one bowl, and such 250 patients are there. Means we have to multiply by 250, and that gives the 38,500 cubic centimeter. If you divide by 1000, then it gives 38.5 liters of soup. This is problem number 8. Okay.